or lease.
What's up, YouTube? Today I am reacting to the band that I missed when they came to Austin this past week. It's the Ace Monroe Band. The song's called Lightning. I had the wrong day. They messaged me and said they're in Austin at the 18th floor, I believe it was. And I just couldn't do it. I have to get up at 2:40 in the morning to go to work, so there was just no way I could make it. I had the wrong date. But the next time they come through, I will schedule it off and double check the date to make sure I'm correct. And I will not miss them next time. So they're a kick-ass rock and roll band, man. I hope people are going and checking them out whenever they come live to their town. If they haven't been to your town yet, keep an eye out for them. They're just such a great, they've got a great sound. It's a good time. This song actually would be great in a movie soundtrack. Just, it's a good time song. And full disclosure, I've seen them do this acoustically. I follow them on TikTok and Instagram because I dig the shit out of them. But they do TikTok live a lot. And they did an acoustic version of this and I dug it. So I'm not actually doing like a full surprise reaction. I've heard the acoustic version, but everything about them is just outstanding. It's a good, you feel good. It's not that all life sucks. It's not that kind of shit. It's just a good kick-ass rock and roll band. else. I'm not going to edit that out. Like I said, his vocals are great. The backup vocals are great. Everything about them is great. That good rock and roll sound from late 70s, early 80s. So it's not metal. It's just good time music. This should be playing at everyone's parties. And like I said, if you have not seen them live since I messed up and missed them, please go check them out. Show them some support. Follow them on TikTok, Instagram, whatever. They are an outstanding band. I think they're going places. I just hate that I miss them. But anyways, I appreciate you being here. I hope you have a great day. Make someone laugh if you get the chance. Don't forget to tell your friends and family each and every time you leave that you love them. You just never know, and that's going to be the last chance you get to tell them. Be safe, y'all. We are living in some crazy ass times. Till next time, I am Bob Sixx. Peace.
Or lease.